Good morning student. Today we will study class 4th chapter number 7 and it is your internet. In our previous class we have discussed about the browsing websites. Okay. Now we will discuss about the browsing a website. If you want to browse a website, then what you have to do? To the word browse means go through the content of something. We use a software called web browser to browse the website on the internet. Okay. I am opening the Chrome and it is our web browser. Okay, the Chrome, Firefox, this is a Chrome, and you can see this is your Firefox, this is your Google Chrome. You can use, I am opening here the Chrome. Okay, see the Chrome has been open here. After that, what you want to find, suppose that I have to use Google. I have typed here Google and search a Google here, and here it is a many website related to Google. You can see, open a Google by clicking on this one Google. Okay, the Google has been open here. The default web browser page opens. You may also click on the Internet Explorer icon on the taskbar to open a browser. This is the website to open a to open a Google, and you want to browse anything by using a Chrome, Firefox, or by using a Internet Explorer also. Let us have a look at the part of the Internet Explorer window. There are many parts. This you can see here, the parts is given. I'm telling you, this one is your back button. Okay, this is your back button. This is your address bar. Whatever you want to search, you can search here. Okay, this is your address bar. After that, minimize, maximize, and close. Okay, minimize, maximize, and close. And this one, star, will be your favorite button. After that, this one will be your toolbar. You can see the tools are showing in front of you. This is your toolbar. After that, this one is your forward button, backward and forward. Now, address bar. The address bar is the place where the website address is typed. Okay, to open the website, you must know the address of the website to open it. If you want to open any website, suppose I have opened a Google here and I am knowing that www.google.com, and here you can search anything whatever you want to search. Suppose the website is your www.pogo.tv. Okay, I have write a site here. You can see pogo.tv, and you can click on search. The Pogo TV Kids TV channel, Kids cartoon shows, and here you can see there are many websites is opening in front of game shows is and many other. Okay, this is your address bar. After that, the refresh button on the address bar is used to refresh or reload the page. What is your refresh bar? Refresh bar is used to refresh the button or used to reload the page, whatever you want to reload. Then your back and forward button. The back and forward button let you browse recently viewed, what you have recently viewed here. Okay, after that, home. The home tab, the home button opens the first page of your web browser. What you have to open, the home button will help you to open the first page of your web browser. Then tabs are used to open many websites at the same time. What is the use of tab is used to open a many website at the same time. To open more than one tab, click on new tab button. Suppose let me open here one file. I have opened a Google file from here. The Google has been opened and I have typed here www.wikipedia. We have opened here Wikipedia. Then the Wikipedia is opening here. After that, tab are used to open a many website at the same time. If you want to open many website, one website you have opened, then you have to click here. You can see, click here, and you can open new tab has been clicked, then second new tab, then second new tab, then second new tab. How many you can open a same, you can open many website at a same time. Okay, after that, after completing the tabs, there are favorite. The favorite button bookmark your favorite web page to add your favorite. This is your favorite button. This star is your favorite button. Okay, you bookmark, add name this one, folder this, and this is your bookmark, and click here. First of all, you have to click on your favorite, then done, edit and remove. You can remove from here. After that, minimize, maximize and close. This is your minimize button. Clicking on minimize, your website is minimized. Okay, clicking on maximize, your this is your maximize file. After that, this one, when you click on cross, then your then the page will be closed from here. After that, search information on the internet. If you want to search any information on internet, the internet is used by many people to search for information on various topics such as research, new book, product, job, healthcare, medicine, celebrities, movie, cartoon, telephone number, and so on. By using internet, you can do many work at the same time. Suppose you want to search a new job, you want to search your book, you want to search any product, your healthcare, medicine, about the celebrities, and many other. It is not possible for us to know the address of all the website. Search engine are tool to resolve this problem. The search of entire www means World Wide Web. For the topic we want to find and then display a list of related website. Okay, www help us to find the related website. Okay, suppose you want to search anything in this website, you can search from here. You want to search a famous book of computer. Okay, then simply write here FAMOUS, famous book of computer. Okay, then press enter. You can find all the books which is famous and which is having a good thing in it. You can find from here. Okay, you can see the 100 best computer science books, the best books in computer. These all are the related website which you want to search. You can take from here. After that, the most popular search engine is your Google. I have told you the most popular search engine is your Google. Some others are Bing, Ask, MSN, Yahoo, Search, and AOL. Okay, you only need to remember the website address of any one of these search engines. Okay, after nowadays we are using Google. If you are finding any difficulty to solve anything, then you can say type this and search on Google. Okay, but except Google, there are so many websites, so many search engines are there: Bing, ASK, Yahoo, and AOL. Only you have to need the website to search this these website. Okay, thank you and have a nice day. You have to read this chapter till I have explained you.